like on the last level to do it. So yeah, I'm gonna film this video of me getting to the third seat. Yeah, I'm gonna film the whole thing. I have to get the third seat. Hold up. Yes, I know why I have Coco on. It's because look at all my swords. I have it all. Except for Dragon Target. I just got the knight and also got the king. Yeah. The longest way. No, donut lag. Yes. No, don't lag in this video. No. Yes. Thank you. Oh shit. Not again. Whoa. Let's go to check. My boss is here. What to do? Go for the first. What? Let's go. No. Yes. No, die. No. Hopefully. Bro, why does it keep jump scaring me? Yes! Okay, let's go to the third scene. Yeah. Let's go. I just only need one accessory left. I just gotta do No. Oh, please. That scared me. Wait. Oh, that the hell scared me. Yeah. That scared the life out of me. If you're wondering how I reached level 15,000 so quick, it's because of a PC. I have 2 accounts grinding. Yeah. I grinding on both accounts. No. That's gonna escalate. What the fuck? No. Wrong stop. Oh. No.
I was very lucky sa iba sa mga
Just please. reset. I'm just gonna reset. What the frill? Okay, bye guys. I have to eat. Bye.